Hello everyone, it's Lee here. Thanks for joining me. We're up to day 3 of the Gely postcard play hosted by Ceri Griffiths, and you have to excuse my filming. I'm holding my phone and I don't have a video to show you or a process. What I made today, I was using this old phone to film and it ran out of memory space. I didn't even realise that because I'd been deleting stuff off it. So anyway, what I've done is I've got my gel printed postcard here. It had a big black circle in the middle of it and it looked a bit like a moon. And I decided, because this little fella here fell out of my holder when I was moving it this morning, that I would include him in whatever I was doing today. So I've been randomly picking or shuffling my cards and pick my card for the day because my backgrounds are already made, and this was the one that came out. So I've kept it fairly simple, so it's probably a good thing that it wasn't a more elaborate production that went down the gurgler footage anyway. So I have this here which I've put over the circle that was already on there, and that is watercolor circle and Tim Holtz paper doll, of course. And I've done a bit of stamping in the background, a couple of places. I stamped the number 3 on there, but I wasn't real keen on that, so I drew around it with a paint marker. And then when I was looking for something else to put onto the card, I found this little homemade tag with the threepence on it, so I thought, oh, I'll shove that in. And I've got my man standing in front of a brightly coloured moon. The only other thing I did to the background was to brighten it up a bit with some wild honey. It was just, I thought, a little bit dull, so I brightened it up with that. And I've splattered gesso and some black watercolor on there. So that's my my card for my postcard for day 3. It feels really weird just doing it this way, but yeah, tomorrow we should have a decent video for you. So if you want to play along, the hashtag, if you're posting a video or posting on Instagram, is Gely Postcard Play. It's hosted by Ceri Griffiths. There's a link in my video description box, so it'll take you through to his introductory video where he talks about the challenge, the rules, etc. And in the meantime, I hope you have fun creating your own postcard. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I know it'll be a bit of a stretch to get one for this video, but I'd love you to do that anyway. So at least a little bit of work I did doesn't go to waste. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and share the video with your friends. Leave a comment, and I'll see you again soon. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!